I have worked as a psychiatrist at New Hampshire Hospital over the past 29 years, and I was working at New Hampshire Hospital on November 17th when gunshots were heard in our lobby.
The bill was drafted in the wake of the New Hampshire Hospital shooting when a gunman killed unarmed security guard Bradley Haas. It was later revealed that the shooter had previously been involuntarily committed there, and it was unclear how he had access to firearms. The bill, dubbed Bradley's Law, would allow the judicial branch to report someone to the federal background check system for gun purchases if they've been involuntarily committed to a mental health facility, found not guilty by reason of insanity, or found incompetent to stand trial and found by the court to be a danger to themselves or others.
A coworker was murdered 100 feet from my office. If something like Bradley's Law had existed, it's possible that that wouldn't have happened.
The bill would also allow someone who's been reported to petition to get their rights back after a certain amount of time. An amendment introduced Friday would lay out a timeline.
And so what this would do would say, okay, 15 days you file your petition, 45 days later you've had your evaluation as reported, and 15 days after the completion of the evaluation is when the court would schedule a hearing, so within 60 days.
The bill has received bipartisan support.
It's incredibly complex. I want you to know that we spoke to everyone. We spoke to the mental health professionals. We spoke to the Attorney General's office who worked with us on this. We went to representatives of the court.
But some opponents argue there are other ways people can access firearms.
Criminals will still be able to get their hands on guns through private transfers, the black market, or through flat-out theft.
And according to Giffords Law Center, New Hampshire is one of only 3 states that does not require this type of reporting. In Concord, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.